Hi gorgeous, my name is Joanna Sosa and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Joanna and I upload lifestyle, makeup, just a little bit of everything type of videos, I guess you could say. If you're not already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that little bell so you are notified every time I do upload a new video. Today I just received my BoxyCharm and I am beyond excited. This is my favorite subscription that I do have currently. You receive 5 full products. Majority of the time it is 5 from what I have received, and it's $21 a month. That is not included with tax, but for $21 you get over $100 worth of items inside this box, and this box is for the month of July. So let's open them together because I can't wait no longer. Like normally I just like to rip this box open. I'm gonna open up the box. I have seen a few reviews and my friend, she actually was showing me her box that she received this morning. I haven't heard too many good things about this month, but I personally love BoxyCharm. For this month, it's all natural. I received number 3. This is just a pamphlet which has the pricing of everything. So I'm gonna put that to the side. So this is what I was most excited about, is my Luxie brushes. This is very common in BoxyCharm. Ooh, these are pretty. They're like a wood feel to it. So this is a crease brush, a foundation brush, and it also comes with a blending brush. They're very soft, but normally the Luxie brushes that I do receive, they're all nice and soft, and I do like them. I'm not a big fan of these type of brushes. I do have a Chanel brush like this, but I'm gonna give this a try. I do like the fact that it feels really nice and it's in pink, and lately I've been obsessed with the color pink, like pink everything. Let's see, this retails for $30, so already you're winning. Subscription box costs $21 and this 3 trial set is $30, so that's the first thing that came in here. Next thing that I received in the box is the Alamis Superfood Veggie Mask. And I heard good things about this mask. I know somebody that also uses this brand and it's like her holy growly, whatever you want to call it. She loves this brand. So, and my friend, she actually did use this mask this morning and she said she loved it. So I'm pretty excited because my skin right now is cray. This does have avocado and broccoli seed oil, which I guess is good. I never really seen broccoli, but avocado I do know because I have a few masks that have avocado in it. It's rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin moisture barrier. It has vitamin C, passion fruit. It helps brighten for a fresh looking complexion. This is what it comes in. I'm super excited about this. I'm definitely going to use this later on today. At this point, the way my skin is going, I'll try anything because this does say to apply the mask twice weekly on clean skin and then remove it with a damp dark cloth because I guess it could stain fabric. So this veggie mask retails for $35. I guess for the brand it's not that bad and for a good mask, so definitely gonna give that a try. The next thing that's in here is the Luna by Luna lip gloss, and I got mine in the color Mars. I've received a few lip glosses, but ooh, this is such a cute color. But what I was saying was I did receive a few of their products from BoxyCharm and I remember I do like them. This is like a pinkish color. Probably gonna insert like a swatch somewhere around here, but this lip gloss retails for $18, which I guess is a standard price for a lip gloss. And I personally like Luna lip glosses, so that's a plus. Next thing that I received is a Peel gel liner. It is in the color Deep Taupe. How do I open this? I don't know why they make packaging so difficult to open. Like, I can't open this. Gotta get it open somehow, right? Normally when I do receive lip liners from BoxyCharm, they're mostly wood and I'm not a big fan. I know you have to like heat it up, but it just feels so rough on my eyes, and I don't like things that are rough on my eyes, especially because I do have sensitive eyes, I guess you could see. Oh, this actually feels really good. I might just use this as a whole lipstick. I'm about to apply it right now. I really like this color. So yeah, I apply this color to my lips and honestly, it's like a nice dark brown color, which I'm a huge fan for anything that's dark on my lips. Especially for like the winter, but right now it's summer, but you know, you can rock anything out. Makeup is makeup. So I really do like this. I really like this. And this retails for $21. I mean, you could also use it on your eyes or lips, whichever one you prefer. The next thing in my box that I did receive is this palette, which I really like the packaging on this palette. It's very pretty. It's by Butter London. The colors are pretty nice and I really like the colors. I do like this blue in it. Let me give it a swatch. It feels okay. Like, it doesn't feel like any high-end type of eyeshadow. Oh, I like how the brown came out. It seems very buttery too. Do this color Diva. Oh, I really like that color. That's a pretty color. The next one is Star. Yeah, it didn't swatch too good. I really like these colors actually. They're not that bad. And this is Queen. Oh, I like that. I feel like these colors will look very good, especially when you maybe when you wet them. But overall, I do like this eyeshadow palette, so I'm gonna give it a try because I really do like the colors and how they did swipe on my hand. The blue one is the only one I could say that feels a little bit like on the cheap side, but everything else actually came out real buttery. I guess that's why they call it Butter London. And this palette retails for $32. This palette was the last thing that I did receive in this BoxyCharm. I'm going to add everything up just to see the overall price of this Boxy for this month. And the elements, like I said previously, was $35. The Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette is $32. The Luxie 3 brush set was $30. The Luna by Luna lip gloss was $18. And the Pale gel eyeliner was $21. So overall, $136 for a $21 box. I think it's worth it. Overall, the items that I did receive in this box, it's a win for me because I could definitely see myself using a few of these products. I'm definitely going to be using the brushes. The eyeshadow I'm definitely going to be using because it has the natural warm colors that I like. The veggie mask I'm definitely going to use tonight during the night time because I am in the process of filming another video. So pretty much. The Luna lip gloss I definitely do like. I might just apply this over my lip. Matter of fact, let me just do that now. Might as well, right? So let's see. It also matches with me today, which is actually really perfect. Let's see how it looks on top of this. I'll just guess I'll put it through the center of my lips. Yes, hunty. I do like how the lip gloss looks on top of the gel lip liner. I think it's a very good combination and it matches me today. So I think I might throw these two products in my purse today. But overall, I really do like this box. Like I said before, it's one of my favorite subscription boxes that I do receive monthly. I guess that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a nice little thumbs up. It lets me know that you want to continue watching my unboxing of my BoxyCharm. Let me know down below if there's any other subscriptions that you want me to unbox on this channel, or that you're thinking yourself about purchasing and you just want to see somebody else unbox it first so you don't have to go out and buy it. That's pretty much it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell down below so you are notified every time I do upload a new video. I'm trying to be more consistent since I've been gone for quite a while, but that's all in the past, so let's not look back there. So that's pretty much it, and I guess I'll see you guys again soon. Bye, gorgeous!